Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how you find your major is in Chinese or in English, in which university you applied. Um this is a very simple method for it. So if you worry about this, either in which university you applied, they offer CSC scholarship in your program or not, or your major is in Chinese or in English, because many of students confusing and worry about that, what should happen when they come in China. Either our major is in English or Chinese. So very easy to find it. How you find this? So simple method is that this fill the CSC form. How you fill the CSC form, I already make a video, but I will tell you a little bit again. First, you log in the CSC form. The link in the description, how you fill the CSC form in English or in Urdu, Hindi, like that language. First, fill your edit personal details. How you fill, I discussed in my previous video, because the topic is not how to fill, but the topic is that how you find your major is in English or not, is English or other language. So click on type B if you want to apply for on type B. Add a new applications. After adding new applications, so type your agency number here. Agency number is your university number, is unique code of every university. So this is a list of agency number I am uploading on website, so don't worry about this. So I select this Central South University. Check on Central South University, 10538. 10538, the agency number. This is just a number, not an agency or any agent. 10538. As you enter this number, if this is correct, then it's automatically shown, otherwise it's not working. So again, check Central South University. Central South University number is 10533. So we put wrong, 10533. If we put 10533, Central South University is so it's like, if you have Chinese proficiency, then Chinese, or select if you have HSK, then select yes, and give it your detail. Otherwise, click on no. If you have English proficiency, select your English proficiency. If you speak a little bit English proficiency, then it's good. So select excellent here. So if you have IELTS, then click on yes and give it your detail. If you don't have any IELTS, then leave it. Just select CS English proficiency. No, came to the point. Another point. So master, if you're applying for master, so select master. If you're applying for PhD, then select PhD. If you're applying for bachelor, then select bachelor. So and first we check English major language. If your major is in English or not, select English here and select your discipline: management, education, natural science, medicine, and we select for example, we select management. In management, they offer only engineering management for English, in English program. So and we check Chinese, how in which language they offer, and after clicking on Chinese, then select again management here, and this time you can see they offer engineering management, business administration, public management, and these are the majors and schools which they offer English in Chinese, offer programs in Chinese. So it's very easy to find it. It's not difficult is that you find how you find this major, your major is in English or not. So it's difficult how you either they offer CSC to your major. If your major is in this list in Chinese or English, then you don't worry about this. They offer CSC to your major. So that's the point. And so we check another university. So for clearing more confusion, so we check another university. Another university is Chang'an University. Chang'an University agency number, Chang'an University 10710. 10710. We type 10710. We type here, and Chang'an University. So this is the list of Chang'an University. So we select first English and engineering management. For English, they offer only 3 three major disciplines: engineering, management, natural science. And no, they're not offering and offer any program for CSC scholarship for except these programs like medicine field and economics field. So click on we click engineering this time. Okay, in engineering they offer a lot of programs in English. Now click on Chinese. After clicking, when you click on Chinese, then you can see they offer they offer scholarship to law, engineering, management, education, economics, natural sciences, and history, agronomy, and literature. So we click on engineering and select this. You can see a lot of majors here this time. So after when we click management, click on management, you can see 5 to 10 majors. So when I click on now we click English and click management again. After clicking on English and Chinese, then you can select again, because in this it's create problem if you cannot change this. So click here again management. We can click management, and you can see only 6 program in management. They offer management program CSC for CSC scholarship. So this is the only thing you can do. Make a account on CSC portal, and if you want, if you just check agency number and do not save and verify it, then no problem. You can it's not means that your application will be wasted. So it's remain safe. Which university number you put here means this CSC form is for this university. If you type agency number of Chang'an University, means it's when you fill this form, it's only for Chang'an University. If you apply for another university, then make it another account or add another application. How you can add another application, I will discuss in my video, in my previous videos. I discussed in my previous video. So now we can check another institute. What is the what they say. So we can see which majors you can check and which university is best for you. China Agriculture University 1019. So we can check 1019 here, China Agriculture University. Okay, we select Chinese, and you can see engineering, management, economics, natural science, and agronomy. So we can select natural sciences this time, and seeing the major. They are offering chemistry, orography, psychology, ecology, biochemistry, and molecular biology, and other programs. Now you check English. Click on English. Okay. After clicking on English, they can offer only engineering, management, and agronomy. No other program is available in this. So click management, and this time in management they offer only 2: rural development program and agriculture economics program. I will now click on Chinese and again select. Now select again management. So this time for management they offer 7 to 8 program. In case of English, you can see only 2 programs. So this is, I think this is good move for CSC, that they directly tell that which majors you apply and how you can check this. So this is the things which I tell you. Now again now came to another point. So I will tell you that our online chat system is available. We will try our best to deliver here. A lot of students can get here apply a message here and get response. So quickly response here. Don't worry about this, that you can how you contact with us and other things. So I hope so you like this video. If you have any problem regarding CSC scholarship, your documentation procedure, your applying procedure, your online form filling, and you don't find any scholarship deadline, so contact us on our website cscguideofficial.com, and we will give you reply as soon as possible. So this is a major thing I can say today. I will say today, and in my next videos I will tell you about 2 to 3 or 5 universities which have started CSC scholarship. I think in coming in my mind 2 to 3 universities, so I will make video on this. So stay connected with us on YouTube and on especially on our website cscguideofficial.com. Type in Google cscguideofficial.com and contact with us. I hope we will reply you as soon as possible as I can. So hope so you like this video. Stay connected with us and met you with in next videos with the next next coming feature. And I also today I will also make a video that how which service is best for you for sending documents and other things. So keep connected with us. Hope so you like this video. Allah Hafiz.